Come on, man.
Thank you this evening for reaching down and touching us, Father. Thank you for uplifting our prayers, man.
Walk in your trap and take off your trap. Walk in your trap and take off. I got this shit from my bro. He got this shit from the soul. Like, yeah. I'm about to know work. Okay. Walk in your trap and kill. Yo. He want this shit from the go. Yo. He want this shit from the back. Okay. He want to pack out the back. He want to make the back. Walk your trap and take off your trap. Walk your trap and take off your trap. What we do? Walk your trap and take off your trap. Walk in your trap, take over your trap. Walk in your trap, take over your trap.
It was a Colorado party in the stand video. Hold on.
Walk in your trap, take over your trap.
What you say, yo?
Walk in your trap, take over your trap. Walk in your trap, take over. I graduated from the dope game. Ready to do all the dope. Hey! Wait on me, dope. I got you right on the dope. I got you right on the dope.
My nigga, hey! Hey! We got Jack Town in this hole, man! We got Jack Town in this hole, man!
Hey, look. Hey, I want to roll up so bad, bro. Watch, hey, watch the nigga, hey, they gonna see you like job. You gonna see those niggas. Hey, John.
I need my cheese.
Man, what?
What?
Hold on. Hey.
Hey, God, I'm going through the last 45 like.
My nigga John.
Hey.
Father God, the feeling that brings everybody in this group, oh Father. Thank you this evening for reaching down and touching us, Father. Thank you for uplifting our prayers, man. These young men, our coaches, our entire staff, Father, thank you. Yes, Lord. The fact that we were blessed with the opportunity to stay together for the last 4 days, staying together for thank you for this moment. Father, it's all because of you. Everything that you do happened.
Preach it, Pastor.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
Thank you, Father.
Yes, Lord. Hey, Sam.
Talk to him, coach. Talk to him, coach.
Look at that.
Get that nigga out of here. Man, what the fuck? Bearded niggas.
Extremely proud of every last one of y'all. What did I say? How many?
10. Oh.
21.
21.
Hey, what was it? Hey, Mark. You a yeah, man.
Y'all, so many, you have no idea, man. I can't get ready to go to this press conference and I'm filled with emotions because I've been waiting on that to show up offensively, defensively, as well as special teams. And we did, how about Molly hitting that right? How about the protection? Kept going.
So guys, let's not do nothing crazy. You know how I am, no means no. And don't get crazy on the plane, don't do nothing. And if y'all work your butt off, Sunday off, work your butt off, Monday, Tuesday, real hard, we may get Wednesday off. And we gotta work. We may get Wednesday, but we plan on practicing Wednesday morning and let you guys out for the crash. All right. Good with that?
Yes, sir. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
How y'all work?
We're gonna work out. What? I got class though. Hell no.
Yeah. Take a package home so we can start studying, preparing, and coming out here with the same effort.
Yep.
But guys, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Look at the person next to you and say, I got you.
I
Times like this, the grind like this, so I had to grind like that. The shit gets shit in the bank. Return on this. Take my drink to the fold. That man's some truth. It was time to marry your game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you want it, you gotta see it with a clear eye view. That shit, you jump. Like a nigga stick. For them troops squeeze and get green. Never let them hold it in between or when we started. Little nigga, bottom line. They know me when I'm stuck in their head. Like go and get it. Draw like I'm an artist. You crawling and straight to walk in the forest. And my God, I'm just flying, bitch, from now. Don't throw that bitch away. Don't throw that bitch away. They trying to get him. Hold on, you trying to get him without an album. I guess you in my mind. Little nigga, I'm on fire. Ice in the hot, you Philly nigga, I'm flying. When I bought the Rolls Royce, they thought it was leased.
2 times for that dub.
I ain't rest in peace. Ain't rest in peace. Rest in peace to the parking lot. Phantom so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about my niggas and what you talking about. Guess moving silence, nigga, and I don't talk a lot. I don't say a word. I don't say a word. So I'm drowning and I got what I deserve. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on, wait a minute. When I wanna ask the Lord, flexing on these niggas, I'm like Papa on this spit. Olivia, that's my Tito's, ain't the captain, I'm lieutenant. I'm the tech cannon, me casting, grind like I'm broke. That Lambo, my new bitch, show out like my ghost. I'm riding down my city with my hands strapped to my toes. Cause these niggas want me there, and I gotta make it back home. Cause my mama need that bill money, my son needs some milk. These niggas tryna take my life and fuck around, get killed. Hey,
they started doing it back to it, so they were so angry. Yeah, tough as a you stuck that man. Yeah, hard and fuck. Don't fuck back, nigga. Come on, bro. Don't fuck back, nigga. Bro, your ass. Hey, come on, cuz. Alright, now you trying to get him to the kids. Hey, you don't throw that in the pot. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Hey! Hey! Somebody get that! Hey! Hey! Watch your ass!
That shit don't mean nothing. Play with me and you know how my team come. Get that ass to the better than 2 ball bag. Oh, she DD. She that shit got her made. She get that from me, easily, that ain't easily, that ain't
Hold on. Hey, Jackson State boys.
Okay.
What it do?
Hey, Khalil, pull up to my house. We like 6 hours away. What you gotta say to IG Live, bro?
We got a bye week, bro. We gotta keep working. Keep grinding, man. Don't let them tell you what you can't do, man. Keep going. Get off the cat.
They're gonna sort. They're gonna sort. Yeah.
And always, we all overly blessed now. We could have taken it all the way.
What an awesome fucking game, dog. If locker room footage of the boys absolutely losing their minds after this victory of UCF Travis Hunter Heisman performance. What a fucking phenomenal win. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ron Dunn. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe, smash it. It doesn't take time at all.